Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are here for the first time, hello, my name is Viola and you are currently on my second channel where I give you all the tips and tricks on ways to make money online, such as teaching on Outschool. So guys, for the month of August, I am giving myself a challenge where I will try to upload a video every single weekday. So that is 28 videos. I already have my list written down of all the content that I am aiming to create for you guys. So if you want to see all my tips for Outschool and other ways to make money online, make sure you subscribe to my channel now. And I can't wait to share the content with you guys soon. So today I have just a pretty short video for you guys. I want to show you my intro video on Outschool, the teacher intro video, so you can get some good ideas if you are stumped about how to make your own. Okay, just get right into it. Here we go. Hello there, I am teacher Viola. Thank you so much for stopping by and allowing me to introduce myself. I am an educator who teaches many subjects. One of my favorite experiences was teaching ESL in Japan for 2 years. Currently, I work with children online. One of my biggest passions is dance and movement. I grew up training and performing in many dance styles. So join me for some fun, active dance classes catered to different age groups. Let's sweat and get active together. I also offer yoga classes for kids, as well as creativity classes such as drawing, arts and crafts, painting, and so much more. So I'm very excited to share these classes with the Outschool community, and I look forward to seeing you in the classroom soon. Bye for now. And that's it guys, short and sweet. Honestly, this video is quite similar to my application video for Outschool. So I think the most important things are 3 points. So number one, make sure you show your enthusiasm and your personality. That is always number one. Yeah, show that you're confident, you're charismatic, you're approachable, and you are an excellent teacher. Number two, not only talk about your passion and expertise, but demonstrate. You notice that I had some clips of my past dance performances as well as me pretending to teach in my living room, and that is showcasing to my parents that is going to be my learning space. I think that's what can get the parents and learners really excited. They can see that and go, oh, that's cool. I want to learn that. I want to do that. And number three, think about the overall presentation aspect of your video. Make sure that you have good lighting. There's nothing worse than a grainy, dark video. And make sure that your background looks educational and professional. And then in the end, you may be tying everything together with some editing. You can layer on some music to make it extra exciting and showcase some pictures or videos of your past work. And that's it. Super quick video today, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel for my August content that's gonna come out every day. Oh my goodness, I'm a little bit nervous just thinking about it, but we're gonna get it done. Let's see. Okay, see you again next time, guys. Bye.